Imagine standing on the edge of a mountain cliff, the golden rays of sunrise painting the sky, wind rushing past your face, and in your hand, you're holding the brand new DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera so advanced it feels like holding the future of storytelling itself. This isn't just another action camera. It's a revolution built for people who crave adventure, for creators who see the world not as it is, but as it could look through the lens of something extraordinary. DJI has once again proven that innovation doesn't stop at perfection. It evolves beyond it, and the Osmo Action 6 is the perfect example of that philosophy. It's a compact beast engineered for those who dare to live unfiltered, raw, and in motion. With every jump, dive, and sprint, this camera captures moments not just as visuals, but as living, breathing memories that pulse with energy. DJI didn't just upgrade the Action 4, they tore up the blueprint and built something completely new from the ground up. The result? A pocket-sized powerhouse that blurs the line between cinematic storytelling and extreme adventure. The Osmo Action 6 carries a new 1.3-inch sensor, a leap forward that turns every frame into an explosion of detail and depth. Whether you're shooting in the blazing sun, the deep blue ocean, or a city lit by neon lights, this sensor handles light like an artist, balancing shadows, brightening highlights, and preserving the soul of the moment. The dynamic range is unreal, making footage look as if it's straight out of a movie. But let's talk about stabilization, because this is where DJI flexes its muscles. Rocksteady 4.0 has evolved into an even more powerful form of magic, making shaky footage a thing of the past. You can sprint down a rocky trail, mount it to your helmet, or even strap it to a surfboard, and your footage still looks impossibly smooth. DJI's advanced algorithm tracks motion, anticipates movement, and stabilizes the shot before you even realize you moved. It's like having an invisible gimbal built right inside. Every frame feels like it's floating through air, cinematic, effortless, and hypnotically stable. Whether you're creating travel vlogs, action sequences, or cinematic reels, you can finally say goodbye to jitters and hello to perfection. And the color science? Absolutely breathtaking. DJI's Color Science 2.0 brings a natural, true-to-life tone that makes your footage pop without looking overprocessed. Skin tones look real, blues look rich, greens feel alive, and sunsets glow just as they did when you saw them with your own eyes. It's cinematic out of the box. No need for LUTs or color correction unless you want to. The Osmo Action 6 gives you professional-grade visuals that even high-end cameras struggle to match. And the best part? It delivers all this power in any condition. Rain, snow, dust, or desert heat, this thing refuses to quit. Waterproof down to 20 meters without a case, freeze-proof to 20 degrees IC, dust-proof and drop-resistant, it's literally built to survive your wildest adventures. You can take it scuba diving, skiing, hiking, or skydiving, and it keeps recording like nothing happened. It's not just durable, it's fearless. DJI designed this camera for people who don't know the meaning of pause. Now let's talk usability, because performance means nothing if it's not easy to use. The Osmo Action 6 brings dual touchscreens. One on the front, one on the back, both incredibly responsive, bright, and fluid. You can frame yourself perfectly while vlogging with the front screen, or review your shots on the rear display with absolute clarity, even under harsh sunlight. Every tap, swipe, and menu transition feels smooth and intuitive, almost like using a flagship smartphone. DJI really nailed the interface this time. No more digging through complicated settings while the moment slips away. Everything is fast, efficient, and creator-focused. The camera just gets out of your way and lets you tell your story. Speaking of storytelling, the audio has had a serious glow-up. The Osmo Action 6 features intelligent directional microphones that deliver crisp, clear, and rich sound. With built-in wind noise reduction, your voice stays natural and your environment sounds alive. No muffled tones, no distracting background hiss. Whether you're riding a motorcycle, skiing down a mountain, or walking through a busy city street, the audio feels immersive. DJI even included Bluetooth mic support and Type-C input for those who want to push things further, giving you freedom to record podcasts, interviews, or cinematic narration on the go. Then there's the battery, an absolute powerhouse. DJI didn't just improve it. They reinvented it. The Osmo Action 6 runs up to 2 hours shooting 4K footage and charges at lightning speed. 18 minutes plugged in gets you to 70%. That's faster than your phone. No more stopping mid-adventure because your battery gave up. You go, it goes. And DJI introduced an advanced heat management system that keeps the camera cool even during long 4K 120 FPS recording sessions. That means no more overheating, no shutdowns, just endless creativity. The slow motion capabilities? Pure cinematic gold. You can record 4K at 120 FPS or 1080p at 240 FPS, turning every moment, a splash of water, a drop of sweat, a leap through air, into dramatic, heart-stopping beauty. Slow motion isn't just a feature here. It's an art form. You'll find yourself re-watching your clips again and again just to feel that flow. And if you've ever struggled with transferring or editing footage, DJI's got you covered. The Mimo app now syncs videos instantly with Wi-Fi 6. No lag, no delays. You can edit, color grade, and share your clips directly from your phone in minutes. It's so seamless it feels like your camera and phone are one device. DJI clearly knows creators don't want to spend hours managing files. They want to create, edit, and post before the moment fades. And here's where DJI steps into genius territory and smart features. The Osmo Action 6 detects orientation automatically, switching between horizontal and vertical for those perfect TikToks, shorts, or reels. Its advanced AI scene recognition adjusts exposure and tone in real time, making every shot perfectly balanced without you touching a thing. Even in harsh lighting or mixed conditions, it knows what to do. It's like having a mini cinematographer inside that tiny body. Every choice it makes feels natural, human, and right. And let's not forget accessories. DJI's magnetic quick mount system is a masterpiece. You can swap from chest mount to helmet to handheld grip in seconds with a single click. No screws, no frustration. It's strong, smart, and built for creators who move fast. DJI's ecosystem of mounts, filters, grips, and cages turns the Osmo Action 6 into a full production kit that fits in your pocket. It's every filmmaker's dream, compact, modular, and reliable. The price? Surprisingly fair. For what it delivers, professional stabilization, advanced imaging, pro-grade color science, and that bulletproof design, it's a steal. You're not just buying a camera. You're investing in freedom. Freedom to move, to create, to live without worrying about limits. The Osmo Action 6 isn't about specs on paper. It's about how those specs make you feel when you're out there capturing life. It's about turning everyday experiences into unforgettable stories. Whether you're filming your daily runs, capturing your kid's first swim, exploring new countries, or chasing sunsets on your bike, this camera becomes an extension of your eyes, your energy, your passion. And that's what sets it apart. It doesn't just record what you see. It records how you feel when you see it. For vloggers, travelers, adventurers, and dreamers, it's the perfect companion. Compact enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to produce footage worthy of the big screen. You'll forget it's even there, until you play back your footage and realize you've just captured something timeless. And that's the power of great technology. It disappears while you create. The Osmo Action 6 is more than a camera. It's a storytelling engine wrapped in titanium-strength housing, a bridge between your world and your audience's eyes. It gives every creator, big or small, the ability to craft visuals that move people, inspire hearts, and freeze time in breathtaking clarity. You don't need a studio. You don't need a crew. You just need a vision, and this tiny monster brings it to life. So whether you're scaling mountains, diving through coral reefs, skating through city streets, or documenting your daily grind, remember this. Your story deserves to look as epic as it feels. Life doesn't wait for perfect lighting or calm conditions, and neither should your camera. The DJI Osmo Action 6 doesn't care if it's raining, snowing, or blazing hot. It just delivers. Because great stories don't happen in comfort zones.